Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the keyboard, then remove any batteries so nothing powers the board. Once done, position a small tray for screws and take a photo of the key layout to avoid mistakes later. Use a keycap puller or a flat pry tool to gently lift the first keycap. Lift straight up to avoid breaking the retainer. Make sure to collect loose parts. This immediate action prevents further damage and gives you access to the problem area quickly. Once keycaps are off, blow compressed air to dislodge crumbs, then brush the switch and stabilizer gently to remove particles. Dip a cotton swab in 70–90% isopropyl and lightly clean around the switch housing and the retainer. Do not pour liquid into the switch. For sticky residue from food or syrup, carefully detach affected switches or remove keycaps and soak the plastic caps in warm, soapy water for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse. Dry completely, then reassemble. After everything is dry, align each keycap with its retainer and press down evenly until it clicks into place. Make sure stabilizers sit straight before pressing. Once reassembled, plug in and open a keyboard test utility or a simple text editor to verify each key registers correctly. If a key still sticks or feels mushy, you may need a deeper switch clean, lubricant correction, or switch replacement. If replacement is needed, disconnect power and swap the faulty switch, or consult a repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.